Hi, I'm Joey McKinney. I own McKinney Landscape, and we specialize in aeration and top dressing using command soil. So the current project we are working on here at the Bay in Sarasota is a Bermuda Park, the turf is. And what we did first was aerify. When you aerify, actually, when you're punching holes in the ground, you're getting that roots to not just go straight down, but you're getting them to separate. But also it's getting holes open to put that command down in there. And then currently we're putting down command compost. This is 100% organic. Also, we're this close to the bay, so they're really concerned about all the nitrogen and stuff washing into the bay. They're trying to be protective of the waters around here. So another reason we use command in city parks and county parks and so on is command is 100% safe for pets. So that means your pets or even you could walk on it barefooted, and it's 100% organic safe. It's going to take 2 weeks for it to fully work its way down into the soil and start reacting with all the good bacteria that's in there. So it's just like your gut health. That's what I kind of relate to people. It's good bio gut health for the soil. So there's billions of organisms underneath the ground. If you don't have the root system in the soil right, then what's above ground is not really going to grow well. 2 weeks, we're going to be green as can be. Actually, this turf is pretty good condition as it is, but in 2 weeks, you should see a real green up.